Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to solve the Pyraminx. So I am not good at Pyraminx. If you go to my WCA account, the link is in my about page on my channel. You will see all my rankings. I am top 100 in all my events in Africa, so continent, and but except for Pyraminx, which I really suck at. I don't know why, but yeah, I just horrible in Pyraminx. So yeah, I'm still gonna get good at it, but at least I can make a tutorial on how to do it. It's called LBL, layer by layer, same as on 3x3. Really easy. I think it's as easy as cube. So yeah, let's just scramble this up. This is a QiYi and it's magnetic, so yeah. Okay, so it looks pretty scrambled. And now we're going to get into solving. So the first step we want to do is probably tips. If that confuses you, you might want to do your tips, which actually are really useless. So just turn all your tips, or you can do them during the solve whenever you feel like it's good to do tips. But now it just looks a bit more solved. Anyway, so now we're going to find the easiest color to solve. Just for simplicity, I'm going to do on on yellow. There's no white. And we see year is yellow, year is yellow, and year is yellow on all these center pieces which are attached to the tips. And the easy way to recognize this is just look for the tip or center piece, which is this entire piece here, with no white, with no yellow on, for in this example though. So I found it this one, and we'll put that on the top, meaning that yellow will be solved on the bottom. So this is just an easy way to find. And now we turn, so all the yellow shows on the bottom, and as you see we have these three. Don't mind that one. All the yellow on the bottom. Now we're going to put in these pieces right here. So these are the edge pieces. So for the first one, I find this one, and it's red and yellow, so it means it needs to go in between these two here, and we'll just bring it like that. And now there's two ways to insert this, either with, like same in 3x3, U prime L prime U L or something like that, or sledgehammer, which I think you'd prefer, which is down with the side you have the piece on, and then down with the other one, up. Okay, and then that's inserted. So for this one, green and yellow, we put it here, and then just to show you, actually, if it's on the other side here, we would do down with this side first. So it depends on what side's in the front. So for this case, we'd be down the side. Okay, and now for the last ones, twisted in place, I'll just do a sledgehammer, and then move it out the way, and then sledgehammer. Okay, and I got a last layer skip. So let's just create some last layer case for you guys. Okay, so we might get something like this when you're done with the first layer. So you just insert your last piece, and then we get something like this. And then what you'll have to do first is try and put all the tips like in one place. So for example, you have it like this, and you see obviously this is not solved, so you do RU R prime U, and then again RU R prime U, and then you check if it's solved now, and as you can see all the pieces aren't solved, and again RU R prime U, RU R prime U, and now just fix the layer, and then you'll see either all your pieces will be solved, or you'll have one solved and then two that are flipped in place, which is what I call parity, though it's actually just two flipped edges. And then for this you have to learn one algorithm. So you go down with the side first, so it's sledgehammer starting on the side, and then you have this white yellow sticker here. You rotate your cube like this, your Pyraminx, and you go up with this side, down and down. Okay, so you hold it like this with the two flipped edges in front, down with your left, down with right, up. So just a sledgehammer, and then turn it to the side, so just like from your grip like this side, just hold it like that, and then up, down. So yeah, that is basically the tutorial on solving a Pyraminx. Really easy, though I'm really bad at it. I want to be sub 10 seconds. not minutes. I am sub 10 minutes, don't worry. And so yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.